Hi, here's how you type up multiple image and PDF bank statements super fast with AI, and then you can code them up into a trial balance automatically, all done with AI. So let's show you how it's done. So you go to AccountsDraft and you go to the type up and code up bank statements tool and you upload the bank statements. In this case, we will go for, let's go for those two. It's just a random demo company, random demo bank statements. Yes, we would like them coded and assigned to nominals, and we'll upload the trial balance. Do we have? Yes, we do have a trial balance. So I don't know. How do you even spell that? Full balance books limited. They are a bookkeeping company, and we're not even going to bother doing correcting the spelling. Cool, process. Ooh, sorry, I forgot to turn the timer on. There's your timer. So we'll add a couple of seconds on. It's whirling away, and we'll come back and I don't know, add 5 seconds on for me messing around. Cool, we'll come back in a second. Okay, looks like we're done. So 43 seconds, add another 10. So let's say we did it on under a minute. And here is what it looks like. So we've got 2 bank statements and we'll just download them all in one go. And right, let me put that here. So here's what it looks like. There's your bank statements. That's bank statement 1. And down here is bank statement 2. So we've also got the nominal codes from the trial balance, and we've got nominal descriptions. So you can see it's nice and easy, ready for you to kind of do a pivot table and get it into a trial balance. So let me show you how you do that. We want to delete this gap. So there's the gap, and then we've got the whole pivot table, and we'll do a new pivot table, and we need the nominal code, nominal description, amount, and we'll get do not show in tabular, and repeat all labels, and then make this pretty cool. There is your it's not quite a trial balance because obviously sales are generally a credit, but here it just takes it directly from the bank statements. So in this case, we just have to put a minus. Cool. There is your amount ready for your trial balance, and we'll dunk that in there. And then we'll create a new code 997998999, and there's your TB ready to go. Well, it's not quite a TB because obviously it doesn't balance, but that's because it's just the transactions and cash during that period. So they made 60k or whatever, 56k, and when you're doing your accountancy software, you just roll forward the prior year trial balance and then add these transactions in, and you're done for like an income and expenditure type job. The simple accounts jobs. Right, I hope that was helpful. If you like what you see and you want access to this thing, just go to accountsdraft.com, go to the type up and code up bank statements tool, and yeah, go. It's free to start. Try it out, see what you think. Go nuts. Oh, and before anyone shouts at me, we did see some VAT items here. Yeah, so there was a VAT payments. Obviously, I haven't included that. You can see them here in your bank statements that were coded up. So obviously, if you want to add VAT to all of these, you just times it by 20%, and that can be in your cash movements. But thought I'd add this to the end of the video in case anyone shouted at me. So yeah, all right, cheers, bye.